Page 17, The Gift to be Simple. 4/4 time. We got eighth notes all over the place. I want to talk about the first two lines here, both hands together, and then we'll talk about the last line separately, with the hands separately. So let's just start out. You're in middle C position. I'll just help you out there with where we are. And counting wise. Now if these notes are giving you problems, then forget the rhythm and just try and play the notes. Make sure you can play the notes. See right there, you got middle C played twice, but with each hand. So with the first one with the left hand, and second one with the right hand. That's okay, they can do that. And just make sure you can play all these notes. Don't worry about counting it or nothing. Here you've got the G and the C in the left hand. Then a rest, and then you have an F and an A. Takes over. Just make sure you got all these notes first, and then once you're pretty sure you can get the notes, then you can add the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and I'm going really slow in this fun. And 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. Let's go to the last line here. You got here 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now these last two measures. In the right hand you just got these notes. In the left hand you got these notes here, and then a G and a B. Not fun, but when you put them together, look out. 2, because you're using different fingers at different times and it gets all confusing. At least it did for me when I was young and trying to learn to do this kind of thing. So very slowly the last two measures. You're here, here, and then here. Just make sure you got all the right notes in each hand because it's different. The last measure's not so bad because the right hand just has a C. Just work that out until you can play that. You have to play those two measures over and over and over until you can kind of get them, because you don't want any hesitations anywhere. You got to get rid of those. And once you work that out, then we can go back and add this. Well, the only articulation is the slurring. So just lift up between the slurs. Lift up, so that's like a breath. Take another breath. So forth. Lift up between the slurs. Don't mess up the beat. The beat's got to be steady. But just you're cutting the note right at the end of it, just a little bit short, so you can lift up before you play the next note. That's all. Then we add the dynamics. It starts out soft. That's the melody. If you look at it, they're saying the whole thing is soft. Well, get to know it, because you don't want to play a piece at exactly the same level. Yeah. Feel it. You're in the soft range. You can get a little louder and softer as you feel it. You have to get to know it first. And andante moderato's on the slower side of andante. It's whatever. Does that feel on the slow side of andante to you? To me, it depends on how much coffee I've had or whatever. It's 1. I will feel a little louder, a little softer as time goes on, and it'll be different each time I play it. Who knows? Now there's a repeat sign at the end, so you're going to repeat twice, or you're going to repeat once, you can play it twice. There's a note there at the top, there at the last line. Second time retardando, so after you repeated, then you can slow it down a little bit. Like so. How much you slow down is up to you. It's just slow it down. I'd like to play this with you very slowly. I'm not going to do any dynamics. There isn't really any in here anyway. But I am going to repeat it. And that fermata at the end, I'm going to hold 2 counts instead of 1. So let's try this out. I'm going to give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4 because there's a pickup beat. So put your hands in middle C position. Let's try it. 1 and ready and go and 4 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2. Repeat.